What's good mga brodies? Today we are back with another video. Gas trip muna tayo, pa-full tank tayo. So, tambike tayo for today's video. Kasama natin si Polo at si J-Off, One Pod Shop. So, ang lakad natin ngayon ay concept ride. Kaya na tayo. Let's go!
5 minutes later.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Then you go into your day on Sunday, bright sunshine out there, and it is going to be hot.
Ay! More traffic! SM Nordelcha, let's go!
15 minutes later.
Hassle mga brodies! Hintay pala tayo sa Bunyos. Na-disconnect kasi tayo sa comms. So, we're on our way to concept right. Ito na, naka-waze naman tayo. So, mukhang service road gaming tayo. Anyways, let's go. Sabi dito sa Waze, we are just 2.4 kilometers away. 10 minutes now. But let's see if we could try to beat it. Ay. Dahil lang nakapag-dinner na tayo. Nag-pregame muna kami nila Polos, Nakaru. Although nauna muna kami ni Wifey. Grabe. What a way to end a very tiring week. I am so looking forward na magkape. Kapeng-kape na ako. Isang kape pa lang ako buong araw. I usually take 2. Pag bakasyon, I can take 3. So ngayon, deserve ko ang coffee number 2. And in this heat, kahit gabi na, parang masarap mag-ice latte. Concept ride, sana may pakape kayo doon. Let's go!
A few minutes later.
Pasok mo dun, sa tabi ng peja.
Okay, sige. Okay.
You know?
What's up bro? Long time How are you? But it's been a long time. Dito pa talaga. Hindi na sa DMs no? Personal na. Ipag lang ako. Pero may nakita pa tayong tropa.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So nandito na tayo sa concept ride. Nakapag-park na tayo. Dito na mga idol natin. Tara, let's go look around. Checking out this Sprint. Grabe, gusto ko yung duck na ganyan. Saan kaya tayo makakahanap niyan? Budol. Grabe, dito Vespa ni Vespork. And RV Astilias Sprint 150 ba talaga? Subo mo. Buo.
What's up, baby?
Oh, girl!
Nice.
Grabe ang patambike dito. May pa fishball. Kuya, isang kikiam na walang
Stop it. Get some help.
Girl, masarap yan.
It's chicken balls, then you make tusok-tusok with the sweet sauce. And as he said na you don't really make tusok, you claw it with the ano sabi mo?
The tongs kasi yon. You claw it with the tongs made from 504 stainless steel from mga bracelet ng mga Rolexes.
That.
Oyster pala
What
yun.
he said, what he
Oyster
said.
steel, bro.
Oyster steel
What he
o sa sa Makati Jubilee ang gamit nila. Jubilee. Looking at Arian Kazemi's turbocharged Vespa Primavera. Ganda ng build, bro. Grabe to. Turbocharged. Boss, mabilis ba to, boss?
Sakto lang.
Sir, ang galing niyo po.
Thank you.
Grabe the effort. Vespa Collective does for his content. Napakahusay. We are looking at Sir Ezra's Vespa. Grabe. Grail exhaust to. Sobrang ganda. Itong Vespa na to has one of my dream parts. SIP na side mirror. I don't know how you pronounce this eh. SIP Pardua? Pardu? Can you guys comment it down on the comment section? Ganda. Very elegant. Inspirasyon ko sa headlight ko. Amor Solo Moto. Pag lumaki pa ako, I wanna be just like you.
Just then.
Sir, idol ko po kayo.
What's up, brodies?
Sir, may sticker po kayo. Pengi po sticker.
Ito ang sticker eh.
Grabe, daming Vespas. Siyempre, kasama natin ang idol ko. Pro Scoots, let's go! Ano next natin po-promote natin sa shop mo?
Coffee.
Coffee. You heard it right here. Let's go! Alam niyo mga brodies, kung Dream Accessories lang din, grabe. Itong Relax Green na Prima has a majority of what I want. Lalo na the expensive parts. Yung emblem na yan na Rizoma. Yung check na yan, grabe. Gustong gusto ko niyan. I just can't justify the price. Pero kudos to the builder of this. Sobrang ganda. Even yung crest. Intense. Kompleto sa bells and whistles. Rizoma everything. Let's go. And look at that brown seat. Paka-elegante. To, this right here, kung di ako kumuha ng relax screen na Vespa, sure, puti ang kukunin ko. Sobrang clean ng build. Intense. Grabe yung mga accents nyo. Match din sa mags. Pogi din, pogi. Ito mga brodies, ang gusto kong mags. Should I pull the trigger? Kailangan pa magsipag. Let's go! So these are all of the motorcycles and attendants we have here. Vespark, what's up?
What's up, homie?
Papi, ingat. Vespa Collectives in the house. Let's go. Bye, Amor Solo. Let's go.
What's up, brodies? Uwi na. Uwi na. Ingat kayo.
Ingat, Papi.
11 minutes later.
Alright, mga brodies. Gearing up na tayo. Alis na tayo dito. Grabe. Talk to a lot of people. Siyempre, hindi ko nilabas na sila sa video kasi siyempre privacy and everything, baka they're not comfortable. So ngayon we're on our way to Marikina to drop off natin yung Vespa ni Pietro and then we'll be on our way home. Let's go. Grabe mga brodies, it is currently 11:11 in the evening. So I'm holding on the screen of my phone, mag-wish ako. Okay, wish done. So kayo pa mga brodies, ginagawa niyo ba yan? Kapag 11:11 nag-wish. Wow, indecent.
Much later.
And just like that, nandito na tayo kay Malodi. So, konting chika tapos baba natin motor niya.
Much later.
Alright mga brodies, quick recap. So, nakapag-tambike tayo sa concept ride with sila Polo and si Jeyo. Met up with a few familiar faces, got to appreciate some of the builds that were there. And overall, yeah, it was a good experience. So, thank you to Concept Ride for hosting that tambike. Grabe guys, may libre pa fishball, may hot dogs and everything. It was so good. Tapos may cafe din pala sila. So first time ko pumunta sa Concept Ride. Actually, I've been seeing it on social media and yeah, I've been longing to try to go there. Sakto, nagkaroon ng opportunity. I'm going to end the video right here. Pauwi na ako ngayon. And yeah, if you like these kinds of videos, these kinds of content, please hit like, subscribe, comment down on the comment section below about what you think sa mga ganitong klaseng videos. Thank you so much for making time to watch my videos. I'll end it here. Peace.